sugar, 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. I have taken 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. First, let us add the wet ingredients. Now let us mix it. Now let us add the dry ingredients. Now let us whisk the dry ingredients. Now add butterscotch essence to the batter. Add half a teaspoon of butterscotch essence. Or you can prefer using whatever essence you prefer at your house. Now, after adding butterscotch essence, let's mix it really well. Now, the batter is ready. Let's set this aside. Now, let's take a mug. Now, grease it with some butter. Now, let us dust it with some maida. Now, let us add the batter. Now let's set these two in the microwave. This is the final product. Now let's add the toppings. Oh, it's looking so pretty already. This is the final product. Now let us taste it. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's see you next time. Bye.